Hey folks, Internet Dude here. Hey, I'm not sure if this is going to turn into a video series or what, but I've got my Jeep Comanche here in the shop. You may have seen this truck from a few other videos in the past with the seat and the tailgate latch and things like that. Yeah, let me just get to it here. P.S. In my shop, flat surfaces are just a place to set stuff. So here's where I'm at. The truck, I've had it for 4 years now, and I always knew that it had some work it needed, and I put it off, which is, don't do that. But so here I've got the seat out and the carpet out. That's the bottom side of the carpet. That should give you a little bit of an indication of what you're going to see next. The white part is just some insulation material because the exhaust runs under there. That's your normal stuff, sound insulation. This is like floorboard stuck to the bottom of the carpet. Let me just flip it over for you, just so you can see. So this is the carpet that was in there. I'm actually kind of looking at it the wrong way. This would be the driver's side. We got some rust. No shortage of dirt and crap and stuff spilt there on the passenger side. But yeah, let's take a look at the truck here. It's gonna be ugly. All right, let me grab my light. Now, yeah, that's not good. That's not good at all. So we take a look here. This is the driver's side. The rear actually isn't too bad, but yeah, there's a lot of holes in there, a lot of big holes, and I haven't even really hit at that yet. When it comes time to it and I start hitting at this, it's just gonna crumble like crazy and just disappear. I'll also show you up behind here some more insulation pad there at the front by the pedals. It's actually in very good shape, which I'm surprised. It's kind of going a little bit. I don't know why. It must be the type of foam just doesn't let it hold the moisture. It must just let the any moisture that gets in there just kind of go out. If I throw the light underneath, let's see. Yeah, you can. It's really bad. All these holes are going to get a lot bigger when I really start hitting at it. So if we take a look over here, here's the passenger side. The white stuff is just some more of that fiberglass insulation stuff. And then up there you can see there is some rust there. I'm just going to step in here and give you a closer look. Ooh, crunches when I step in. So if we come over here, just set my light down. So yeah, if we look at this side, you can see this orange stuff. Like it's pretty solid. I just have a screwdriver here, and when you tap at it, it doesn't cave in at all. If we look over here, you can see there's rust, but same thing. It's not poking any holes through. So I think I'll be able to grind this down and apply some kind of rust treatment to both the top side here and the bottom side. And I think I'll get away with that as a good repair on this side. Also, let's take a look behind this foam. And it also looks good. So that's good that area is going to be okay. We'll come back here. I really don't want to hit it too much, but just to show you the same thing, if I'll hit over here, you could see like it's just breaking up. Oop, like here the screwdriver goes right through the floor, but I could feel it's hitting the brake line or the fuel line underneath because I happen to know that's what's under there. But as you hit away, it's going to create new holes. Anyway, this is a massive job. I don't know if I'll be able to do it all without help. I'm gonna grab my grinder that I have, and I'm going to put a wire wheel on it and just try and grind away as much as I can, maybe with a flap disc as well. Just grind away at this stuff and see how I can make out. But it's one heck of a project. I don't know if I can do it start to finish. I've already ordered a replacement floor pan. It's molded metal, the right stuff, so I'll get that, and I'll get this ground away a bit, and we'll go from there. I don't think I'll do like a whole bunch of like how-to, because I haven't done anything like this before. And you know, there's a bunch of people doing that already on YouTube anyway, but if you're interested in following along on the Jeep Comanche interior restoration project, definitely subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, but leave a comment below. Do you think this is like too much? Should I just go to a body shop and throw a bunch of money at them? Or try to DIY? I'm leaning towards trying the DIY route first, because if I really fail, I can just go to a body shop. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.